Hi, I'm Paul Wilder, and I'm here to share with you the pose of the month. I'm here in sunny Central Park where I teach every Saturday from 8 a.m. community classes. And in honor of these added outdoor classes, in honor of Central Park, in honor of the energy of summer and all of the green and all of the trees, we've chosen tree to be our pose of the month this month. Now I encourage you, if you're going to get out and practice, especially a pose like tree, getting outside, being barefoot in nature is so important not only to our mental health, but also to our physical health. There are actual negative ions coming up from the earth that can act as antioxidants for the body. It's so nourishing to be out in nature and just feeling that connection to our Mother Earth. So let's go through tree here. So first step is shifting the weight onto one leg. I'm going to start with my right leg and finding a drishti or a focus point. This acts as an additional support for the body to help in balance. So here you can start low and just on the ball of the left foot, maybe start moving the hip. And if you want to start with a simple balance, maybe just opening the hip and placing the heel against the ankle and creating a little kickstand with the ball of the foot. And this could be your tree here. Hands to heart center. If you want to work up a little more of a balance, you might take the knee into the chest. Maybe your right hand to the hip, open up the left hip, and then guide that foot either to the calf or up into the thigh, never the knee. And pressing firmly, foot against thigh, thigh against foot, you might actually start to feel a little bit of lift in the body, really grounding down, rooting down with that right foot, pressing firmly with that left foot. And then even bringing the hands to heart center, pressing the hands together to create even more stability, never losing focus on that drishti, that focal point. Now you can certainly play with more balance here. You can try closing your eyes, that's a fun one. But also, when in nature, perhaps want to blossom up into prana mudra. Just arms open. Just feel your branches, your leaves unfurling, becoming one with the trees around you. Invite some movement even with the hands. Now bringing the hands back down. You might aid the hip and knee, letting the leg come back down, and we'll go the other side. Planting firmly in the left foot, finding that lift in the right foot, maybe a little shimmy here. Again, you can start with a kickstand or take the knee up and out and planting it either at the calf or at the thigh, again, not at the knee. And again, connecting with that drishti, that focal point to help you balance, pushing firmly, foot against thigh, thigh against foot, hand against hand. Just breathing in the nature around you. Even if you are indoors practicing, just feeling that connection to nature through this pose. And perhaps, again, opening to that beautiful tree. The wind may take you. Thanks for joining me for the pose of the month. I look forward to seeing you in my community classes, Pay What You Can, every Saturday at 8 a.m. But again, visit the Sonic website to see the full schedule. The Spirit in me honors and bows to the Spirit in each of you, recognizing we are the same spirits. Namaste.